Hey, it's actually working. So I went digging through my shop and I managed to scrounge up some materials for this. So what I have is a 1/2 inch dowel, an 1.5 inch dowel, and a piece of ash, and then some string. So let's see if we can make something out of this. So to build this pump drill, it's pretty simple from the pictures I've seen online. All you need to do is drill a hole in the middle here that is bigger than your dowel, and then you need a weight on it. And we're gonna use this piece of ash that I have. It's pretty heavy. I don't know how heavy it is. One sec. Aha. It is 1 pound and 10 ounces. Put that back. So next we're gonna head over to the drill press to drill a hole straight through. And yeah, that's kind of funny. We're gonna use a drill press to build a drill, but if we already have a drill, why are we gonna make a drill? Whatever, let's make this. It's gonna be fun. Oh, good, it fits. Woo! So next we need to cut this into a circle and drill a hole in the middle so we can shove this through it and glue it in place. Cheap drill bits are never straight. Should throw that one in the garbage. Ah, shut your drawers. You don't need to look like a slob. Okay, next we need to cut our spindle down to size. And I'm just gonna use this as a gauge. You probably want to come that far down, have that much string. So I'm just gonna make a little pencil mark and we'll go about there somewhere. Now me mark, we're gonna glue that on right there. All right, let's go to the miter saw and we'll cut that. So this was a homemade dowel that I made, and it's actually a little bit smaller than 1/2 inch. And I don't have any drill bits that are like in between a 7/16 and a 1/2 inch, and that's kind of what I need. So I'm just gonna squirt this full of glue, and then I think I might get my brad nailer out and shoot some brad nails through it just to hold it on. I mean, this isn't a piece of fine furniture we're building here. Just making this because I want to know if this is gonna work. Because sometimes I feel like a caveman and I want to work like one too. Yeah, that's not gonna work. We have to shoot some brad nails into that. It's not pretty, but it's gonna work. Woo! Now we just need to drill a hole in each end of our handle, and we need to drill one at the top of the spindle for our string to go through. All right, before we move on to attaching the string and all that fun stuff, let's drill a hole in the bottom so we can put this really crappy bit in, and I'm just gonna hot glue it in. So I'm just gonna kind of eyeball and try to drill as straight as I can, and yeah, let's see how that goes. Ah, I got an idea, right over here. Yeah, that's deep enough. All right, let's string this thing up. All right, you just feed it through the hole in the top and then go to the other side. And I think I want it about that long. We are now ready to test this out. All right, I have a scrap piece of ash here that I'm gonna try to test this on. And I'm just gonna set it here, make sure it's level. We'll give it a spin. Woo, woo, woo. All right, let's try this out. Hey, it's actually working. That's pretty cool. Oh, I lost my momentum. As I'm getting deeper, I'm finding that it's getting harder to drill. That's about as far as I can drill. It doesn't wanna come back now. Now, how do you get this out? Oh man, we almost made it all the way through. This actually works pretty good. Let me bring the camera in closer so you guys can see how this works. Okay, I'm gonna start a new hole here. It takes no effort at all really to drill this hole. Oh, Oh, my bit broke. Anyways, you guys get the idea. But in no time, I got a hole that was almost to the bottom. I'm impressed. I just need to come up with a better clamping system here. I'm thinking if you were to drill the hole like I did, and then maybe went to the bandsaw and cut some slits in there and use like a hose clamp to pinch it, kind of like an actual chuck does, then that will hold on to that a lot better. And then you can also put different size bits in it too if you make it a little bit oversized. So that's pretty cool. Am I gonna use this in every woodworking project I do from here on end? I'm gonna save energy, not use batteries, no electricity? No, not at all. I have cordless drills, I have a drill press, I'm gonna use that stuff. So back in the olden days, people used pump drills to start fires. So I'm going to try to start a fire with mine. I'm going to go and cut the end off where I drilled the hole for the drill bit, and we'll see if we can make a fire. So I started to try this off camera and it's pretty hopeful. I got some smoke going. So what I did was I just drilled a 1/2 inch hole, just a really shallow one, probably like 1/4 of an inch deep into this piece of ash. I'm trying to try to see if I can get some flames here. It's okay. I have a fire extinguisher way over there, so if anything happens, I'll be okay. But I'm just gonna pile my shavings here and see if that will catch. Let's start giving this a pump and we'll see if we can get some flames. Oh, I'm starting to see some smoke. Oh yeah. All right, I got a piece of pine here. Just a shallow hole, just so it stays in one place. And I also went in the house and I found a little bit of dryer lint. We'll try that. And we still got some wood shavings, so we can get a little fire going. So let's see if this will work. And if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna give up because it's late. I wanna go inside and I wanna get this video edited. So let's try this. Oh, we got smoke. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm putting the dryer lint on the hole. Hopefully we'll get some friction going and we'll be able to start a fire. Oh yeah. Let's try that again. Ah, I need a better string. Yeah, that's it for this video. Yeah, I think I'm onto something here. I can get a lot of smoke, but I can't get any embers going. I don't see any glowing or nothing in the hole. So I think I'm doing something wrong. Maybe the hole I'm using is the wrong size or something, I don't know. But I might do some research and I'll try to play around with this a little bit more. Also, I have to get a better rope for this. That little string I'm using, it just snapped. Yeah, I'm calling it quits for tonight, that's it. But yeah, it worked amazing as a drill. Like in no time, with no effort at all, I drilled a hole almost all the way through that piece of ash, which is an inch thick piece of ash. So that's pretty good. So I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it entertaining. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video. And like always, we'll see you in the next one.